Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn the names of colors. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First is BLUE, blue. Next up is red, RED, red. The next color in our list is BROWN, brown. The next color is YELLOW, yellow. Next up we have green. We spell it as GREEN, green. The next color in our list is orange. Orange is spelled as ORANGE, orange. Next color is black. We will spell it as BLACK, black. Next color is pink. Pink is spelled as PINK, pink. Next color is violet. Violet is spelled as VIOLET, violet. Next color is white. The spellings of white is WHITE, white.